In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google passwords safe and easily accessible using the Google Password Manager. This simple process will take just 5 minutes and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you not only understand how to set it up, but also why it's an essential tool for your online security. First things first, let's open your Google browser. You'll want to be logged into your Google account for these steps. With the browser open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window. There, you should see 3 vertical dots. This icon is your gateway to a range of settings and options within Google Chrome, acting almost like the control panel of your browsing experience. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. Once you've done that, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, giving you various options. From this menu, find and select Settings. The Settings menu will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the configurable aspects of your browser. It's like your toolbox for all things Chrome related. Now in the Settings menu, look for the section labelled Autofill and Password. This section is particularly important because it's where you manage all the autofill settings, including your passwords. Clicking on this will bring you closer to managing your online credentials securely. Next, you'll see an option to open the Google Password Manager. Click on this and it will lead you to the dedicated area where all your saved passwords can be managed. Here you'll be able to view and organize your passwords safely. Within the Google Password Manager, navigate to the settings where you'll find various options related to password saving. One critical feature you need is the Offer to Save Passwords option. Ensure this toggle is switched on. By keeping this option active, Google Chrome will prompt you to save your passwords whenever you log into a site. This feature safeguards your passwords, ensuring that they are stored securely for future use without the hassle of remembering them all. Now, every time you log into a website using Chrome, a prompt will appear asking if you wish to save the password to your Google account. And when that prompt appears, make sure to click on Save. This action will store the password securely within your Google account, making future logins a breeze, and there you have it. With these settings enabled, you've now allowed Google to help manage and secure your passwords with ease. Following this process will strengthen your security and make the digital part of your life much smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.